So good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discussing about the parts of mouth and oral cavity. This picture shows about the different parts present in the oral cavity. So the mouth, it is bordered by two. So this is called as upper lip, and this is called lower lip. So this is about and these two together called labia. In palate, in our head region, we have two structures called uh, nasal cavity, and below this called as so these two, nasal cavity and oral cavity, are separated by a structure called palate. So the palate, the front portion or the anterior portion of this palate, it is very hard, that is called hard palate, and it has some follolar structures called rugae, palatine rugae. And as you run to the posterior, the palate becomes soft, so that is called soft palate. And at the end of this palate, soft palate, which freely hangs in the pharynx, is called uvula. In teeth, so there are this the picture shows about the teeth, structure of teeth. So the teeth are ectomesodermal origin, and based on different types of teeth, sets of teeth, and arrangement of teeth. So the teeth are of four types here. Thecodont dentition, the arrangement of teeth in the sockets of the jawbone are called as thecodont dentition. And four different types of teeth are present in our oral cavity. So this type of dentition is called heterodont dentition. So here those four types are incisors. Generally incisors are chisel shaped structure, usually useful for cutting of food material. Canines, as they are having pointed edge, and it is useful for tearing of the flesh, generally mostly found in carnivorous animals. The premolars, so these are having some ridges and furrows called cusp, and it is useful for chewing. And molars, last three called molars, these also having 3 to 4 cusp-like structures, useful for grinding. And as we have two sets of teeth in our life, this type of dentition is called diphyodont dentition. The milk teeth generally it is present between 1 to 8 years. After 8 years, this milk teeth is replaced by adult teeth or permanent teeth. As we are having two sets of teeth in our life, so this type of dentition is called diphyodont dentition. And in certain animals, only one type of teeth are present, or similar type of teeth are present. So that type of dentition is called homodont dentition. And every animal has its own dental formula. So as come to the human beings, adult human beings, the dental formula is 2123 by 2123. The numerator represents the teeth present in the upper jaw, half of the upper jaw, and the number denominator represents the teeth present on the lower jaw. The number 2 represents incisors, and number 1 represents canines, and the number 2 represents premolars. The number 3 represents molars. In human beings, up to 21 years, there are only two molars are present, that is 6th and 7th set are present. And after 21 years, this 8th set will arise. This teeth is called as uh, wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth. So this will occur only after age of 21 years. So this is the dentition of adult teeth here. And if you come to the milk teeth dentition, so it will have 2, 1, 0, 2. In this, the premolars are completely absent, and they will have only 2 molars. So this is about the parts present in the oral cavity.